show you how to replace your circuit board 70 to 81 Trans Am. What we're going to do, we're going to take off we've already got the cluster out, and I've already undone these bolts. We're going to pull the bolts out, pull off the clear plastic lens, and then your little clock knob is held in. There's a little tiny screw on the inside, and I've already loosened mine up. I'm just going to pull that off. And then we're going to pull the lens out. Pull out the inner plate. Then we're going to flip it over. And I've already pulled our bulbs out. But now we're going to start taking the bolts off and taking the little nuts off. We're going to go through and remove our bolts. Then we're going to remove the nuts on here too. And these will drop the water and oil gauges down. I think I've got them all. Now this one right here and then that one right there have a washer